My video editing friends, I'm very excited to work with the software. I just upgraded my computer and I also upgraded the software. You can notice this software has a lot of AI features with it. Let's get into it right now. First thing I'm going to do is open up the software and you can see the UI is very good. I like the colors and design. It's very easy to use, user friendly, as we might say. Let's get into the audio first. And this comes with a lot of sound effects and background music. I'm not going to open this right now because it takes a little while to load into the software. Let's go into the titles here. And you can see there's lots here. Play and text, social media. Let's try this one here. Take it and drag it down into the timeline. Click on it. And let's do an edit to it. Very easy to do that. I'm going to say it's called Love. And then I want to go into the colors here. So there's color groups. I can just click here and choose a color. Maybe I want to change it to purple. Just look how easy that is. Doesn't that look cool? Nice and easy. Anyway, let's just click OK, a green heart. It's changed. Anyway, let's just cross it out and finish with it and then delete it. Now that we've done that, we'll take a look at a few more. There's lots of stuff in here. Let's take a look at this button. This looks like it's from the previous version of the software. Maybe they did a little bit of an adjustment to it, but this comes with a lot of extras. You can tell just by clicking here, you're going to be very busy creating new videos with this software. Anyway, we have this one, Heat. Let's have a look at it here. Looks good. Anyway, I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it down in the timeline here. And now that I've done that, I'm going to click on it. You can also do changes. Again, you can just change the text by typing in it. You can move it to the center. You can do anything you want within this section here. I can change it to different types of text. Looks good and cool. Now let's take a look at the animation here. And you can see this can be fun too. Lots of different special animations for this. Reminds me of Elastic Motions a little bit. Anyway, looks really good. Nice and easy to do that. Anyway, we're finished with it, so we'll just close it here and we'll just continue on. Let's go to transitions. Again, they give you a lot of these here. These look like they're from the old version of the software. Let's find some newer stuff. And these look really cool. Look at this. This is awesome. Anyway, I'm going to delete this one here. We don't need this. And we're going to go into effects now. And I'm going to be bringing in some video clips, or just one clip, I should say. Let's open it up, drag it into the timeline, go back into effects. And now we're going to start using the AI. So we're going to blur the faces of all the people in here. Takes a second to apply it. And let's click play to have a look at it. That did a really good job. Anyway, let's click into it and take a look at the blur. I think I can strengthen the blur by going like this. I can go up here. And if I want to take a look at it for a specific person's face, say I wanted this person here, I could unblur their face by just unticking it. Or if I want to reblur it, I just tick it again. This is really good facial recognition software. It has a lot of faces. Let's take a look at this one here. Where was it? Oh, you can see it way back there. It really has good software, really good, nice and easy for it to do that. Anyway, let's just finish this here. I'm going to delete this and then I'm going to go up to overlays. There's many: social media, special effects, everything. This looks good for everything. General, this is basically from the previous versions of the software. Let's take a look at birthday and school and lightning. Let's have a look at one of these effects. I haven't seen it yet. Wow, that looks really cool. You can do a lot with that. Anyway, now that I've done that, I'm going to go to the subtitles and then we have templates. These are the landscape templates. There are lots of them. If you want to see how many there are, we'll just click over here for a second and have a look. Lots of different ones, countdowns, all kinds of stuff you can fill your videos with. Anyway, once I've done that, I want to see how many they have for shorts. So let's look over here. We need to go into edit and aspect ratio and change it to 916, which is the short format. And that looks good also. Lots of different ones here, graduation, beauty, all kinds of stuff here. Anyway, you guys can take a look at this if you decide to get this type of video editing software. That's it for me. This is a short preview. You'll see a lot of this stuff in my newer videos now that I've upgraded with the software. Thanks for joining our community. Remember to like and subscribe this video. We need to get more people watching videos so that my channel can grow and I can introduce new things. Thanks for watching. Remember to take care of yourselves and your families. See you in the next video. Bye bye.